Imagine a city paying you thousands just to move there. Sounds wild, right? But it's happening right now across America. With remote work booming and rent skyrocketing, cities are competing for new residents with serious cash and perks. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of 5 cities offering huge incentives, cash, perks, and a real sense of community. We'll break down every dollar, every perk, and why one of these places could be your next big move. Fast-paced edits, stunning visuals, and everything you need to know, coming up. Ready to find your new home? Let's dive in. Buckle up. First stop on our list of amazing places to relocate, Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's the proud home of the famous and innovative Tulsa Remote program. Now if you're a remote worker looking for a change of scenery, listen up. They'll give you a whopping $10,000 just to pack your bags and move there. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, as part of the program, you get access to a massive, state-of-the-art co-working space and an instant built-in network of fellow remote workers, creating a supportive and collaborative environment. Tulsa's not just affordable, it's incredibly budget-friendly, it's buzzing with stunning Art Deco architecture, a feast for the eyes at every turn. You'll find world-class museums offering a rich dose of culture and history. And let's not forget a legendary music scene that has launched countless careers. Your money stretches significantly further here, giving you more financial freedom. This is thanks to a remarkably low cost of living, making everyday expenses manageable. Plus, you'll be surrounded by vibrant and diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. You can actually realistically buy a house, achieving the dream of homeownership. You can eat out at fantastic restaurants, and truly enjoy life to the fullest, all without constantly worrying about breaking the bank. They're not just offering a cash incentive, they're offering a truly thriving and supportive creative community where artists flourish. For remote workers, Tulsa is a complete no-brainer. It's the perfect destination for remote workers seeking a rich culture and abundant opportunities. So the big question is, would you move for $10,000 and a chance at a better life? Looking for a place that rewards you for simply moving there? Next up, Bentonville, Arkansas, a city that's not just growing but actively changing the game with its innovative Life Works Here program. Thinking of working remotely? Move here as a remote worker or STEAM professional, that's science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, and you'll get $10,000, your choice of cash or crypto. But wait, there's more. They'll throw in a high-end mountain bike, brand new and ready to ride. Because Bentonville isn't just any city, it's the mountain biking capital of the world, offering trails for every skill level. This city seamlessly blends small-town charm with big city ambition, a unique combination that's hard to resist. Think world-class art at Crystal Bridge's Museum of American Art, a buzzing downtown scene with incredible restaurants and endless trails waiting to be explored. You're not just getting paid to move, you're joining a forward-thinking, innovative community and an incredibly active community. Tech entrepreneurs are building the future here, artists are finding inspiration, and outdoor lovers are in paradise. People from all walks of life are flocking here to be a part of something special. Get paid handsomely, get a bike to explore, and get ready for a lifestyle upgrade in beautiful Bentonville. So, would you take the ride and make Bentonville your new home? Let us know what you think. Topeka, Kansas, a city with a rich history and a promising future, is offering up to $15,000. That's a significant incentive if you take a job, securing your professional path in this vibrant community, with a local employer. It's a fantastic opportunity to contribute to the local economy. Remote workers can also get in on the action. Remote workers can get up to $5,000 for housing. Serious money, a real boost to help you get settled. That can be a down payment on a home, making homeownership more attainable. Topeka's all about community, fostering connections and a sense of belonging. It has revitalized arts districts brimming with creativity and local talent, and a super affordable cost of living. Your dollar stretches further here. The city is investing in its future, with new developments and infrastructure projects, and you can feel the optimism everywhere. It's a city on the rise. Median home prices are way below the national average, making it easier to find your dream home. So your grant goes far, maximizing your investment and improving your quality of life. Parks, a growing food scene offering diverse culinary experiences, and a welcoming vibe, creating a friendly and inclusive atmosphere. All of this makes it easy to settle in and feel right at home. Topeka is betting big on new talent. They're actively seeking individuals to contribute to their growth. So, are you in? Will you take the leap and join this thriving community? Would $15,000 convince you to move and start a new chapter in Topeka? Drop your thoughts below. We want to hear what you think about this opportunity. Let's keep going and explore more exciting opportunities. Love the outdoors? Morgantown, West Virginia will pay remote workers $12,000 to move, and that's just the start. You get free access to outdoor adventures, rafting, climbing, skiing, and more. They'll even lend you gear and give you a co-working space membership. Home to West Virginia University, Morgantown buzzes with youthful energy and innovation. Finish work, then kayak or hike in minutes. This is wild, wonderful West Virginia. If you crave balance, nature and adrenaline, Ascend WV is your ticket. Would you trade city life for adventure and cash? Let us know in the comments. Next city coming up. Hamilton, Ohio is writing a comeback story, and they want you in it. If you graduated from a STEAM program in the last 7 years, you can get up to $10,000 to move here. The money comes in monthly installments as you settle in and start your career. Hamilton's downtown is revitalized, with breweries, restaurants, art galleries, and a huge riverfront park. You get small city charm plus big city access. Cincinnati is just a short drive away. Hamilton is investing in talent and transformation. Would you join their comeback for $10,000? Comment below. One more thing. 5 cities, thousands in cash, and a fresh start. Where would you go? From Topeka's $15,000 to Bentonville's free bike, these places want you to join their community. This is your chance to reinvent what home means. Which city would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments. Smash that like button if you love the idea of a fresh start. Subscribe for more game-changing opportunities. Thanks for watching.